Our top story tonight, in a shocking turn of events, the city of Detroit has officially given up. The now former mayor has given the key to the city back to the Huron Indian tribe. So
Good
farewell,
move, actually.
Detroit. From Bob Seger to Axel Foley, we never really cared. Joyce?
That was a good one. Throwing Axel Foley in there, you know, Eddie Murphy's character, of course. What the hell is the name of the movies? But yes, throwing Axel Foley in there was good. That got me for a second. I'll be able to hold off on that one, but that got me.
Well, Detroit,
for just a
Bob
moment.
Seger to Axel Foley,
And I like Bob
we
Seger.
never really cared.
And the
Joyce?
Silver Bullet Band.
We are going to force all these young boys to be child soldiers. Hamburger. After 18 hours in the mines, we are going to check your butts for diamonds. Hamburger. I get it. If you do not work on my rubber plantation, I will burn your tongues.
Oh, my God.
Hamburger.
No, it's funny. I don't know if all you guys know. I don't know how popular he was. That's a comedian from years ago. And I don't remember his name. He was just Hamburger. And he used to say hamburger constantly within his act. That got me because, again, I've been a stand-up comedy fan all my life. And back when the comedy shows were big, you know, on HBO and everything, I remember seeing him and it just, okay, that caught me.
Your tongues.
Oh, my God.
It's only funny.
Hamburger.
Burger. I'm never a big fan of hamburgers, though.
Maybe I come around this
it's
side.
comedian.
No,
I like hamburgers.
No.
Okay, maybe I come around this side.
No.
Okay,
No.
maybe I climb over top.
No.
That's quite an impressive fence.
You need help building
Whoa.
more fence?
Okay, come on over.
Wow.
That's pretty good. You need help building defense? You pick me up at Home Depot in the morning? Okay. I made it through the rain on that one.
No.
You need help building more fence?
Okay, come on over.
Wow, thanks for the vote of confidence. Geez, you're a bigger downer than a German bedtime story.
Oh, God, what's this
There
one?
once was a boy who liked to suck his thumbs. His mother asked him to stop, but he wouldn't. So she cut off his thumbs.
I know it. Now he has no thumbs. Good night. And now some of these, as I watch them, it doesn't matter if I've seen them before. Again, actually, I've seen it before. It's more likely to make me laugh because of the familiarity. I don't remember that one, but that's those goddamn Germans know how to write a bedtime story. Okay.
So she cut off his thumbs. Now he has no thumbs. Good night.
What do I need school for? Tony Danza never went to school, and he played a guy named Tony on 4 different TV shows.
Good point.
Lois, let me handle
Good
this.
point.
Chris, I'm going to say this in a way an Italian mechanic would understand.
Oh, no.
You're breaking your mother's heart.
Ma! Why didn't you say so? Ma! I'll take care of it.
Oh, I mean,
That was pretty good. Knowing a lot of hardcore Italian families, as I do, pretty spot on, too. This is fairly impressive. Did he have 2 plates, large plates on each side, or 3? Oh, I think it's just 2. Okay, so what's he at? Oh, it's not as impressive as I thought. He's got about 245 on there. I was about to get more
Why
impressed.
didn't you say so? Ma! I'll take care of it.
oh, I mean, that would be a bad idea. Definitely not. No, they won't let you down easy like I did. New York can be pretty harsh, especially to outsiders.
Hello, New York!
I don't know. I'm not exactly familiar with this particular
That's-
Arabian village.
That's pretty much it, yeah.
Bad, cheaply made stuff for sale.
Hey, Americans, you like movies? I've got, dude, my car is not where I parked it, but praise Allah, we are not hurt.
Camels for sale. This one owned by a little old man who only drove it to mosque on Sundays, just had its knees replaced.
Hey, what do you say we head back home?
All right, those were pretty good. Those were pretty good. That isn't hitting on the cylinders that's going to just pound you into unabated laughter, but those are pretty good.
Man who only drove it to mosque on Sundays, just had its knees replaced.
Hey, what do you say we head back home?
That sounds good.
You know, I'm going to move to New York City when I'm older, because it's twinkly and big, and this is where dreams come true, and that giant bird's coming for us, isn't he?
There it is, the callback. I like it.
Frontier people. I feel like those miners who first struck gold in San Francisco.
Oh my God, we did it! We struck gold!
This is amazing! We're gonna be rich!
Rich and gay? Come here.
I'll be getting more
That was good. I had no idea that it was the gold rush that prompted the mass movement of gay folks to San Francisco. God damn, Family Guy is informative. It's gonna be rich and gay.
Rich and gay? Come here.
Oh, I gotta pause it for a second because I'm just gonna be laughing when we start the next one.
I'll be getting more sex than that Wisconsin nymphomaniac who used to live upstairs.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! 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 Oh crap!
After all...
I think what I like above anything else is the fact that they were able to take something as seemingly innocuous as Wisconsin and actually come up with something spot on. That didn't count. That was just that wasn't a laugh. That was a semi burp. That was tough.
Oh crap!
After all, I'm the guy who taught old Asian people how to get on the subway. Out of the way! Nobody else matters! All right, you made it. Now twirl that long hair sticking out of your face mole. And cough. Cough like you never coughed before.
How in the hell are we gonna...
Sorry, that's it. Twirl that hair sticking out of your face mole got me. It was over at that point.
Like you never coughed before.
How in the hell are we gonna get out of here?
Are you going to finish your red paste? No. What about your sweet crusty thing?
No, you can have it.
No more balloon for you. I am sick of you tooling around the village in that thing, honking at the girls, blasting your 1980s American rock music that we got here last week.
But Father...
Go to your palace.
Go to your palace. That's good. That was good.
We now return to Canadian Horror Story.
Hey, hon, we're out of Molson.
Oh, not to worry. We've got some Labatts in the garage. And could you get one for the ghost?
Boo, eh?
But remember, kids, the
Boo,
people
eh?
there have never seen people before.
That was
So
okay.
when they walk up to you, quickly stuff a dollar bill in their mouth. Then you can pet them as much as you want.
Is that true, Dad?
Yeah, truth is, I don't know nothing about this place. I don't even know why it's called Nepal.
The mountains look like nipples.
Well, you can't just call a country nipples.
What about Nepal?
Ooh, I like that.
Ha! Shocker. God gets it right.
I had no idea that's how Nepal got its name. It all makes sense now. What might be the best? So shocker, God got it right.
Nepal.
Ooh, I like that.
Ha! Shocker. God gets it right.
Like the men who built New York City.
Grueling, thankless, life-threatening work. But just remember, we're doing this so that one day, future commuters can be hassled by panhandlers and amateur breakdancers.
What about public masturbators?
Especially
yeah.
public masturbators. Now let's go.
Giving them a
underground.
place.
I'm in England. I can just walk past them
That
holding
was
a cup of tea.
just accurate.
Morning.
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 Did you see something suspicious about that baby?
Well, I did it first, but then he's got the tea vouching for him, doesn't he?
Yeah, we'll be a better team than the war.
Okay, he's got a point. He had the cup of tea.
I did it first, but then he's got the tea vouching for him, doesn't he?
Yeah, we'll be a better team than the Warsaw Globetrotters.
Dribble, 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 talking shirt. Give to my friend. Spin on finger, 2 rotations. Dream about window. Put away basketball, go to work in calcium mine.
Now, Chris, it's
That was pretty good. the sweet Georgia Brown being utilized in that way. That was pretty good. That and being a huge Globetrotters fan. Well, more so now the Warsaw Globetrotters. Yeah, that was gonna get me.
Now, Chris, it's important you learn about your Irish heritage.
Okay, I thought I was going to make it. I wasn't. I think the funniest part was the sound of the thump on the floor when the baby came out. Everybody's got to have hobbies. All right, I'm going to let this run to the end. It's got like 30 seconds left.
Well, whatever happens, I'm not going to stand for this. Too many people get away with injustice, like the folks you meet in those Louisiana swamps.
Excuse me, do you know how to get to town?
Yeah, it's back the way you came.
Man, I bet I
What the fuck? Jesus Christ, Kermit. And he's supposed to be singing Rainbow Connection. Sorry, I said I was going to let it run, but I won't be able to hear the next one. Jesus.
Back the way you came.
Man, I bet I
Kermit the
customer
racist.
complaint line at a Danish cookie company. Hello, Danish cookie company. No, I know they don't taste very good. Well, because they're very dry, aren't they? I mean, they came in a tin. How fresh do you think they were going to be?
That was good, okay.